In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone charging but the battery percentage not increasing. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're having an issue where your iPhone shows that it's charging but the battery percentage doesn't go up, let's go ahead and fix that. First things first, go ahead and open up your settings and search for the battery section right here and open it up. What you're going to want to do here is find your battery health and charging section and open up the charging setting and toggle off optimized battery charging and then back on. Sometimes this quick refresh does solve the problem. Boom, turn off, boom, turn it back on. Next thing I would recommend doing is just making sure your phone isn't too hot or too cold, just because extreme temperature can delay charging or stop it entirely. And also, this one seems pretty obvious, but try charging it with a different charging cable and a different charging block. If the percentage goes up with a different setup, the issue is likely your old cable or adapter. If your phone also does support wireless charging, also test this out, and if it charges wirelessly, your charging port or cable may be the issue. And also, use an external flashlight to check for dust, lint, or buildup inside the port and gently clean it out with a compressed air or non-metal tool. If none of that's your issue, go ahead and back out and go back to your main settings page. And what you're going to want to do here is check to see if you do have a software update by going into general and tapping software update up at the very top. If there's an update within here, install the latest version of it. Sometimes these bugs are fixed in updates. But on top of that, if you're still having issues, there's two more things we could do. Begin by force restarting your phone by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and holding the side button until your screen goes black and the Apple logo does appear. After doing so, let go of that button because this is going to refresh the software without deleting any data. And if you're still having issues after that, you are going to have to reset all settings. This is going to reset just your preferences. It's not going to delete your photos, videos, or apps, but to do this, go back to settings and go to general, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down to the very bottom because there's going to be an option for transfer or reset phone. Select that option and then hit reset again, and select reset all settings up at the very top and go through this process. After doing so, your iPhone charging issues will be fixed. There's a bunch of stuff we went over in this video. One of these is bound to work. If you are still having issues though, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.